and it's all completed. I just took the receiver off because I needed it for a different project, but other than that, it's nearly completed, or basically completed. I have the batteries here. You only need 2 batteries. Depends how you want to put them or in what sequence you want to have them. I usually have a big battery here at the front on this piece of Velcro, connected to the first one. And there's also a second one for the second ESC. So I usually use the smaller battery underneath here, but it can also be done with this 1000 milliamp battery like that. Doesn't really matter, depends how heavy you want it or how fast you want to go. Because if you want to go fast, then you probably want to take the smaller one. And if you want to go for a longer period of time, you probably want the bigger one. It's all up to however you want it. There's an 8-gram servo here at the back for the rudder. Then there is a 12 amp ESC for this brushless motor. And then the exact same thing for this one, except this ESC is a 6 amp. And other than that, that's pretty much how it works. And on the receiver, you just plug these into the ports. I have to plug this one into elevator or one onto the switches so I can control the blowing movement. And that is how it works. I actually found the very first hovercraft that I attempted a while ago, and this is the video of that. Here is a little bit of the process of how I made it. I unfortunately did not have the full video of it, so I'm just going to show this short clip.